So IIIF150, the brand that we know releases the thinnest rugged phones, has just teased an upcoming device called the IIIF150 Action 15. Now, as opposed to the IIIF150 Action A5 Pro, that's a budget normal smartphone, the IIIF150 Action 15 would only look like a normal smartphone, but it's going to be a rugged phone. Now, the specs of this device are not disclosed yet, but thanks to the teaser that the brand released, I was able to get some details about this upcoming device. So according to the teaser videos, the upcoming IIIF150 Action 15 would feature a quad rear camera setup. It appeared to be a quad rear camera setup, and the device would have a circle-shaped rear display, which is highly customizable. You could use it to check time, notifications, and so on. Additionally, the phone would arrive in black and white colorways. The device also features USB Type-C port at the bottom, speaker grill, and microphone at the bottom of the device. And finally, the phone will have a hole punch display. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the device would be a rugged phone according to the brand, but it's expected to be an elegant, rugged device. Now, there are a few things that I cannot confirm yet. I don't know if the device would be a 5G device or not. I don't know that. I also do not know the price of this device yet, because I mean, even the brand hasn't released anything apart from these videos. But the device is expected to launch very soon, and you know, since it's coming from IIIF150, it's definitely going to be very thin and very stylish rugged phone. But these are just mere speculation. I still don't know what this device would offer, but once I get more details about the upcoming IIIF150 Action 15, I'll definitely share with you guys. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.